Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to show you how I made this huge Easter egg for my front porch. It's getting close to Easter, so it's time to decorate your front porch. So you will need 2 of these large flower pots from Dollar Tree. These are so nice. So this egg ends up being about 24 inches when it is finished. You're also going to need some spray paint. And I picked up this spray paint at Walmart. It's Rust-Oleum brand and the color is Poppy Pink. For this DIY, it only cost me $2 to make this huge Easter egg. Outside, I spray painted them 1 coat and then I went back and did 2 coats. But 1 coat's probably enough, then let it have time to dry, and then next you're just going to put in one of the flower pots some weight. I just added some rocks, and then you're going to use some hot glue and E6000 and let it dry overnight. Then now you have your egg shape. I left my egg solid pink, but you can decorate yours however you would like. I thought about adding some polka dots to mine. Next, I decided to add a huge bow on the very top of the egg. So I am cutting my ribbon at 24 inches. I cut 11 strips of ribbon at 24 inches. This is 2.5 inch width ribbon with wire, and it's going to make a huge bow. Take 1 strip, and you're going to make a loop, measure it, make sure it's about 6 inches. Gather your ribbon together, pinch it tightly in your left hand. Make sure you left a little bit of ribbon below your fingers. Same step with each strip. Fold your ribbon, making a loop. Measure it. Make sure your loop measures about 6 inches. Then gather it across. Then stack it on top of the other loop. You're going to do the same process with all 11 strips of ribbon. Since the Easter egg is around 2 feet in height, you're going to want a big bow for the top, so that's why I did 11 strips of ribbon, cut it at 24 inches, and I'm making 6-inch loops. You will want to use ribbon with wire to make your bow, because ribbon with wire, it just makes the loops stand up and just makes a prettier bow, and it's easier to work with. Next, you're going to take a pipe cleaner, go just above your fingers, wrap that pipe cleaner nice and tight around your ribbon. Now you're ready to dovetail the ends. Fold your ribbon in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. It just kind of dresses up your bow. After you have dovetailed all 11 ends, then you're ready to fluff the loops on your bow. I like to kind of spread my tails out so that I don't just have them on one side. So spread your tails out, then start opening up your loops. I like to just kind of place my hand in it and kind of shape my loops. So make sure you do all of your loops, and this is how your bow looks. And for only $2, I have an adorable Easter egg for my front porch. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And there's Lucky and Mr. Parker.